Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we'll go cook up some of these. I found these over at BJ's the other day. This is some beef chuck short ribs, and they look really good. And so we're going to cook them in the Ninja FOODi, of course, and so I'm going to use some better than bouillon. I'm going to use a little bit of this Tony's rosemary garlic. And I'm going to use some of this Everglades seasoning. This Everglades seasoning is good. If you have never tried it, give it a chance sometimes. So the first thing I'm going to do is put me a cup and a half of this better than bouillon down in this Ninja FOODi over here. The water just got to the boiling point in the microwave. So I'll get me a spoon, mix me up about a spoon and a half. Now, I know y'all are saying that's not exactly a spoon and a half, and I know that, but I know about how much I want in here to make that about a cup and a half of better than bouillon. Now, like I say, you need the water really hot. Well, especially with me, because after you open this, you got to keep it refrigerated, you know, so you got to that water got to be hot before you can dissolve it down in there. And the hotter your water is, the quicker it dissolves. It tells you to do it in boiling water. So I about get it to boiling before I dump it down in there. So put it in the Ninja FOODi Deluxe. Yeah, just about all dissolved, except for that little bit right there. So I'm not worried about that. So now, the next thing we're going to do, okay, I'm going to just spray this ribs down a little bit with this olive oil here. And the only reason I'm doing this is just so the spices will stick better to it. And so now, when you get ready to do this, you need to, you know, just spice them up to your taste. You know, just rub it in a little bit. Now I can't touch that container with this hand again until I wash my hands and all. You know, so I'll turn them over like that. Just try to make sure you get some on the entire thing, you know, before you move along. Now, we'll wash my hands and I'll be back. Now, I'll see if I can get some rosemary and garlic on here. Put a little bit more of this on. Alright, now you get the gist of it. I'm just going to keep on going with this and then rub it in some until I get all the way around on each one of these. And don't forget to do the ends, you know. And so when I get those done, I'll be back. And while y'all are waiting, if you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. We sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much for watching our videos. Okay, now I'm ready to start putting these down this Ninja FOODi Deluxe here. And I'm trying to get it where the fat will be up on as much of it as I can. Because to tell you the truth, I like for that fat to run down through the meat. I throw a little piece in there for good luck, for good measure. Okay, now we're going to come over here and shut the lid. We're going to turn on the power, and we're going to have to stop and back up because we've got to put the pressure lid on. So you know, you want another one of those senior moments. This is the lid here. Now, okay, now make sure your valve back here is set to seal and not vent. Make sure your little ring is down here in place. See, mine was up a little bit. It needed to be pushed down. All right, now line up your arrows in the front. right here. Turn it clockwise till it stops. Check your valve again, make sure it's in the sealed position and not vent. Now you come over here and turn your selector knob over here to where it says pressure. It says for 10 minutes. Alright, we're going to leave it on high, but we're going to come down here and hit the time, and it'll start flashing, and we're going to go up to 35 minutes. Okay, and then we'll go hit the start button. Okay, now, you know the routine. It's going to go around and around like that for a few minutes until it builds up pressure, usually between 8 and 10 minutes. So we'll be back and I'll let you know how long it took. Okay, and there the pin came up and it took 9 minutes exactly, so that's not too bad. So now, as you know, most of you, just go keep on chasing these little lights around for a few minutes. Probably no more than a minute and a half, and it'll start counting down those 35 minutes. Okay, and there it goes. That took about a minute and a half for that to start counting down the minutes there. Now you know you've got 34 minutes to do whatever you want to do around the house while you wait for this to cook. And so we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, now we're down under a minute now. And while we're waiting, I just wanted to remind you, everybody, wash your hands, you know, and stay away from everybody. And stay home with me and watch YouTube videos. Watch mine first and then watch everybody else's. You know, and that way everything will work out real good. And so we got another 33 seconds here. And now when this comes to the end, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a quick release. Now if I wasn't going to do anything else to these, I would let it sit there for about 10 or 15 minutes, but being as I'm going to do something else to them, I'm just going to give it a quick release as soon as this 16 minutes is up, or 16 seconds is up, and see if we can get them out of here and do something else to them. And you got to remember now, you got to keep track of all this time in case you want to plan this for your dinner one night, because you can't very well plan it and not know how long it's going to take. Okay, and there went the pin. Now it took it right at 5 minutes for that pin to drop. That's a lot of pressure in here. So now we're going to turn the lid counterclockwise. You have to straighten away from your face, and I want you to look at those ribs down. I mean, those look good. So, oh yeah. Look here. Now these things are just about trying to fall off the bone here. See that? Whoa. I have to lose them here. We don't want to do that. So now we'll take this out and empty this water out of this pot, because I'm getting ready to crisp them up, and I don't want it to I don't want any liquid to be down in that pot to make more steam. I'm going to take these out for just a minute. Set them right there. Now I'm going to take this broth down here, and I'm going to take it out and put it in this little bowl right here, and we'll save it for a later time to do something with. Okay, now I'm going to take some of this Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce here and put on these, just like this. I'm going to take my little silicone brush here and spread it out. Just like that. Alright, now set this aside. And we'll take this and set it right back down into this pot now that I've emptied all the liquid out. Now those are looking pretty good right there, aren't they? Now we'll shut the door on this thing. Got the right lid this time. Okay, now we'll turn on the power again. I'll put it over here on air crisp. And as I got it at 390, we'll run it up to 400 degrees. Alright, and there's 20 minutes on here. Now I'm going to leave it 20 minutes on here, but I probably won't go leave them in there that long, and I'm going to hit the start button. So I'll come back in a minute or two, and I'm going to turn these over or move them around a little bit and put some more barbecue sauce on them. So, we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, now this has been cooking just over 6 minutes. I'm going to take a look at that barbecue sauce that's bubbling in there. I want you to know these are going to be good, good, good. So let me move them around a little bit so I can put some barbecue sauce where it's not. And that just barely missed my foot. That would have been disastrous. All right, now let me cover those up. Alright, now we'll do this time. And let's go cook it for about 4 or 5 more minutes. And we're going to be ready to start chowing down on this stuff right here. And it is looking really good. So I'm going to shut the door back and let her take off. And there it goes. Okay, now they cooked another 5 minutes, so I'm going to take them out of here. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Barbecue sauce baked on there. Try and get a hold of it. Of course, the barbecue sauce makes it a little slick, you know. There you go. Wow, that looks pretty good right there, doesn't it? See that? Now, we'll fix the plate over here. Okay, so that about does it for this little video here. Look at that stuff, just comes right off of there, like that. And there's some of Kay's famous potato salad and deviled eggs here. Of course, she wants a little cranberry sauce on hers, so that's the way it's going to be. And so, till next time, I hope you enjoyed this little video as much as we enjoyed making it for you, and I hope you come back and see us real soon. And if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. And thank you very much for watching our videos. So next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. Goodbye.